model, 2001 Mercedes Sprinter 311 Cdi long wheelbase, easy camper project side windows grey. Body, grey, camper. Mileage, 217,000. Engine, 2151 ccm to 697. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. Pulls well through all gears with no lights on the dash. Condition summary, bodywork is below average with some wear and tear. Interior is in decent, average condition, still more than comfortable. This van is partially converted into a camper with key features installed, offering great potential for a family getaway. It just needs some finishing touches to get it to the finishing line. Features: wind-up windows. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.